I have to do random stuff at the beginning, so I have something like to put in at the beginning.
Oh, that's smart.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Get it.
Yeehaw, everybody! It is me, Aliyah, and welcome back to my channel. Yay, 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 yay! So today, tonight, this morning, it's 3 in the morning. You're gonna go on a journey with me to do this rainbow cut cruise. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I just thought it up and I was like, I'll do it. Because I want to get as much content out as possible, but I want it to be good content, not lazy content. So that's why I'm here. And I don't know what I'm talking like this. I'm going to stop now. Okay. I'm at the beach right now because it's my sister's birthday, so we came for the day. The vlog about coming to the beach is up already. So if you want to see that, check it out. You can just go on my channel and check it out. What I'm saying is just watch all my videos, okay? If you're excited to watch this shiz, please give the video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button so you're notified anytime that I post okay baby cakes. Let's get started. Applaud me if I look amazing.
I'm just kidding.
We're stable. Unlike my emotions. Is that a good joke? I'm nervous. So I have an audience. Clap for me. Validate me.
Woo!
Cheer.
You go. You're funny.
I am?
Yeah.
Is that just you trying to boost my ego?
No, you're funny.
Oh, thank you, kind sir. I'm being watched by 2 Kaylas. One being my sister and the other one being Kayla. They're posing like you can see them, but you can't because it's all about me and it's my show. So first I'm going to start with, I don't have the colors. I remember this one. I'm going to start with B and we're going to pack this in the inner corner of our crease. I'm scared. See it cause she's just so light. Look at me in the butts. Got it.
Is that part gonna stay in the video?
Of it falling?
Yeah.
It can. And with this color, it's better to pack it on. It's a loose pigment or something like that. I don't know. We just nod our heads and say yes, James Charles. My forehead is sweating. So now I'm gonna go in with, I wanna say it's called 518. I don't know, some sort of area code, which is orange. And we're gonna put it in the middle of the crease. And also tap this on too, because also one of the harder shadows to work with. I look like yogurt. Remember the Trix yogurt? Everyone's nodding their head. You couldn't, well, you can't see. So just now everyone agrees with me because everything I said is just right and valid and cool. Clap if you agree.
Raw. Do you enjoy burping for your audience?
I love burping for my audience. Some people have commented on my burping. We say haters. Now I'm taking You're Kidding, which is red. So get a red color, ladies.
Or yes.
No, I call everyone ladies. Aliens, whatever you want to be, do it. And I'm doing it on the outer corner of the crease. I feel like this one you can blend out more than pat. Ooh, this looks good. I look like a...
You couldn't exit out of it?
So now that I did my crease, I'm gonna cut it. I hate doing this, so wish me luck, cause I'm scared. Okay, so I'm gonna get my ColourPop concealer. It doesn't matter what shade it is because it's the wrong one, so we're not gonna talk about it. Ask me questions.
Favorite food? Like if you had to only eat like one food out of your favorites, I guess.
I was gonna say pizza and fries, but I can't. Pizza, yep.
Favorite vacation or place you've ever been?
Mexico, because that was really fun. Just because of singing Genie in a Bottle.
How old were you when you went to Mexico?
Like 5. I thought you were gonna ask me a question that I was thinking in my head. I thought you read my mind, but you didn't. You failed.
And if my brows are like freshly done, I'll wake up looking so fresh and so clean.
Guys, it's 5,000 o'clock in the morning. I don't know what I'm doing. What time is it?
5,000 o'clock.
It's 5,000 o'clock in the morning.
And I pretended I was
Sleeping.
and I was
Hoping you were creeping. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We should be like a duo. Guys, comment down below if you would see us on tour. Should it be like purple?
No, because purple goes with yellow. It's red.
Yeah.
I was gonna say the green
Oh
goes
my gosh. Kayla. Color theory. Purple has to go here, and blue has to go here because it's complementary with orange, and green is complementary with red. When green goes into red, it looks like Doogie, actually. We're gonna start with purple. We're gonna start it where the yellow is, because like Kayla said, purple and yellow are in fact complementary colors, kids. And that's your lesson for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. If you like this video, please give a big old thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and smash that bell button. Just kidding. Pranked you. I'm getting lots of fallout here. That's
a lovely day. Your contour is now purple.
Yeah, we love a purple nose.
If you guys could see the tripod right now.
It's so good. Do you want to say hi?
No, I'm just looking at the eyeshadow.
Okay.
Okay, Aliyah's subscribers. It was nice chatting with you all.
I don't even know what you look like.
I know.
You're just a voice. We know what one of them looks like.
Kayla.
Wizard Kayla?
Yeah, like
This is all
Kelly.
you know.
Peace out, A-Town down.
Oh, love. Sing it like you're constipated. It's a lot more fun. Like, no.
Okay,
I feel like this looks like actual Bye. And then there were two. Do we like it, guys? I don't know. I think it'll be fine. Whatever. Facetune is your friend. Whenever everything goes wrong, that's why you have Facetune. Now I'm gonna go in with not Social Blade, but the darker one. I think when I look at it in person, I don't like it, but it only matters what's on camera, honestly.
You call this?
Thank you, British man. So I'm gonna just do orange. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do yellow, orange, red under here. So it's like that. It's like a sandwich, a rainbow sandwich. This is the first eye, so I'll be right back to you. I'm gonna do the other eye and then we'll finish this up because it's like 5,000 o'clock in the morning, like I said 5 times. And as soon as this is over, I'm gonna take 3 pictures and then I'm gonna go to bed. So yeah, I'll be right back. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm not even gonna snap. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, I'm back. It's literally like probably an hour later. Other eye's done. I did my eyeliner. I put on this lash and then my eye started crying and then I got lash glue on my eye and I could see it on my eye and it was also just squirting out of my eye. So as you can imagine, it was really fun and I actually enjoyed it. So that means we're basically done. Thank you, Jesus. It's 3:41 in the morning. Oh, I'm gonna get my ColourPop Luster Dust. We're gonna actually get our Fix Plus first. Good job, me. Proud of you. Thanks, me. No problem, boo. ColourPop Luster Dust and Au revoir. You already know what it is. ColourPop, sponsor me. Please send me a life supply of this and every other product you own.
Yeah.
Holy shiz. I look like a star. Now I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna get a brown pencil and I'm gonna put brown sugar on top, okay? I haven't even looked you guys in the eye this whole time. Hi, how are you? It's me, Aliyah. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, well it is 3:46 a.m. and we have whatever the frick you wanna call this look. Rainbow Beach. Because we're at the beach. Well, this is a finished look and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I had a great time except for the time whenever I got lash glue in my eye and I'm glad you guys didn't have to witness that because it wasn't fun. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button so you're notified anytime that I post, and I will see you guys next time, okay? Oh, also, Make sure you check out my other videos because they're really lit and they're really cool. And make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter and everything else. And you add me on Snapchat, so it's all in the description. It's all in the description box. You know how things work. I love you guys. Thank you so much for everything. Bye.